So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad. So in today's video, we are going to discuss a very useful topic, that is how to create a material master using the BAPI. Well, the BAPI which we are using is BAPI Material Save Data. Now, if you are a SAP MM consultant, you may already know the traditional way of creating a material using MM01. But in the real-time project, we often have requirements where materials need to be created automatically. For example, like if there is another system through an interface or through a custom program or during a mass data migration, we need to create mass materials in mass. So in that case, this BAPI is very much useful. So we will quickly go to SAP screen and check out this BAPI. So this is my SAP Easy Access screen. I will go to SE37. As we all know that SE37 is used to test the function modules. Here we have this BAPI Material Save Data. So if you are the first time user of this BAPI, you can click on this display button, and here if you see you have this function module documentation. So when you click on this, you will get all the details related to this BAPI, like what all are the parameters in the BAPI and all the information related to this BAPI. So if I want to check this parameter head data, I will simply click on this head data, and it will show me like when you create all the notes and everything regarding that header data. So now if you see, this PAPI supports only the external number assignment. Okay, so if you want to if you are using an internal number range, and if you want to find the internal number range, then first you need to run this BAPI material get int number. So what will happen if you run this BAPI, you will get the material number which is currently not being used. Okay, and basis that, then we can run our second BAPI. So I will show you in the system. Like I will create one more session SE37. I will insert this BAPI material get number. I will click on test. So here it is asking me the material type. So let's say I'm creating this for HLB. My industry sector is M, and required number. So this you can enter like how many numbers you want. So let's say I need 5 numbers. So five, I will get the 5 entries in this result. So as you can see, so my current number which I can use is 97. Okay, so let's say I'm taking this 97, and if you will see, this 97 will not be created. So I will show you in the table level. Marcy, Marcy. So let's say I'm entering this number. See, it is not yet created. Okay, so we will create BAPI using this number. Sorry, we'll create the material in the BAPI using this number. So this is my BAPI. As you can see, BAPI material save data. Simply I will click on test or execute. So here in header data, first I will pass the material which we need to create. So this is my material. My industry sector is M. My material type is HLB. And here we have this option like what all views you need to maintain. We need to we need to insert X in that. So let's say I'm creating basic view, purchasing view. So I'll create some basic views only as of now. Storage location view and accounting view. So these 4 views I will create for this material. Okay, and I will come back. So it is asking me the client data. Next is the client data. So in client data, it is asking me the material group. My material group is SFB. Is my material group. Old material number. Now we know that in material master we have this old material number field. So let's say my old material number is PS subscribe to channel. Okay, so this is my old material number. Base unit of measurement. So my base unit of measurement is EA. So I will give this, and rest are the fields, like it is not mandatory, but if you want you can check and you can give these fields. So as of now the mandatory fields are material group and base unit of measure. So I've given this. Then I will click on insert data, so that data will come here. Then client data X. In this we need to provide the X for the fields which we have selected earlier. So let's say material group I have inserted old material number and base unit of measurement. Then I will maintain the plant data. So here I will provide my plant. So let's say my plant is 1059. Then my purchase, if you want to give the purchase group, you can provide the purchase group. So let me check my purchase group. So I have already created one test case earlier before creating this video. See, this is my success case. So purchase group is G01. So G01 is my purchase group. So let's say G01. I will enter G01. Then I'll come back. Then I will give plant data X. So in this, so for plant we need not to enter X. We need to enter our plant, which is 1059. Then purchase group I have entered, so I will give X over here. And that's it. Like, you can click on back or you can click on insert data. Okay, so then the next views was storage location. So if you want to create a storage location view, then let's say my plant is 1059, my storage location created is 1059. And if you want to make anything of this, like you can provide it over here. So as of now I just want to create a storage location view, so I'm entering my storage location. Click on enter, insert data. Then storage location X. In this also we need to provide X. So let's say my plant is 1059, my storage location is 1059. But I have not selected any of the fields in this, so I'm keeping it as blank. I'll come back. Now coming to valuation data. So this is the accounting data here. Here we need to enter valuation area. Valuation area means plant. 1059 is my plant. Here we have price control. So we have price control as V and S. As you know, V is for moving average and S is for standard price. So I am giving my moving average price. So my price, let's say for my price for this material is 2500. Price unit I need to provide 1. So price unit is 1. And valuation class. So my valuation class was, let me check, 7090, I guess. Yeah, so my valuation class is 7090. So I'll enter 7090 in this. So these four fields are mandatory. First, second, third, and fourth. Fifth. Five fields are mandatory. So then we need to give this valuation data X. So in this we will give this X indicators in all the fields which we have selected. So price control is X, moving average price is X. Valuation area, valuation type selected, right? 1 2 3 4. Price unit and valuation class. So these four fields we have entered. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So now we are okay to create the material. So if I'll click on execute, so as you can see the material is 5097, and if we'll scroll down, if there are any errors, then we will get to know. Okay, so 148, no description transferred. So we have not given the description, so that's why this is the error. So the description is maintained at the table level. So I will scroll to the table level, so you can see material description. So I'll click on material description. So this is given in table level because we can maintain uh, description in many, like in 2 3 languages. That's why. So it is giving in table level. We can insert one more line and we can give our different language in which we need to provide keep the material description. So as of now I'm giving E, which is English, and let's say my material description is semi FG, right? So cooked parts 1 2 3. So let's say this is my description. Yeah, that's it. Now again we will execute this. Now let's see if there are any errors. The valuation class 7090 does not exist. Okay, so what was my valuation class? Let me check once. 7900. Okay, and what I have taken 7090. Okay, let me correct my valuation class 7900. Okay, so now let me again click on execute. See, the material has been created or extended. So in this way, we there is success message. So if you want to see the success message, you can go to these return messages. See, everything is SS means success. If it will be E, then there will be errors. So material created. Now if you want to check, I will show you in MM0397 is my material, right? So I will enter 97 and see basic data, purchasing data, accounting data, and plant data. So my plant is 1059, storage location 1059. I'll click on execute. See, cooked parts 1 to 3. This is my description which I have provided. Old material number was subscribed to my channel. Then material group is SFB. Then in purchasing views, if you'll see, my purchasing group I've provided was G01, and base unit of measure was EA. And then coming to plan storage data, so I've not maintained anything with plans, just I've maintained the storage location. So it is, as you can see, main storage location is my storage location. And coming to accounting views, so my price was 2500. Let's see. Yeah, so see 2500. So ignore this point dots and comma. The formatting is different for my, I will change it later. So it is 2500, and my price unit was 1, and price control indicator is V, and my valuation class is 7900. So in this way we can create a material using the BAPI. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel SAP Simplified by Prasad for more such SAP videos. So thank you for watching.